Hi, I'm Mason Rogers, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the use of token economies in modifying classroom behavior. So what are token economies? A token economy is an intervention that includes contingencies in which tokens or points are given following the omission of targeted behaviors. Tokens can then be redeemed for reinforcing objects or activities at a later point in time, as stated by Zlomke and Zlomke 2006. So essentially, it's a system which rewards desired behaviors with a token which can be exchanged for a reward, whether that be tangible or intangible at a later date. To support the theory that token economies can be effective in modifying classroom behavior, I'm going to go over a study done by Filchek, McNeil, Greco, and Bernard in 2008, which examined the effectiveness of whole class token economies and parent training techniques in a preschool setting. I'm going to hone in particularly on the aspect of this study which relates specifically to token economies. The study was conducted on 17 preschool children with a mean age of 2.9 years old, with 65% being female, 82% being Caucasian. The way the study worked was through the use of a level system. The level system used a chart which, as you can see, displayed 6 levels with a blank space in between the third and the fourth level. The top level was bright, sunny, and happy, which descended to the bottom level, which was cloudy, sad, and grey. Each student had their own individual shape, for example, a dinosaur or a rocket, which began in the middle of the levels chart. Each time a child displayed a desirable behavior, their shape would be moved up into the sunny levels, and each time they displayed disruptive behaviors, their sticker would be moved down and potentially into the cloudy levels. 2 to 4 times a day, the teacher would provide a reward to children whose shapes were in the sunny levels, with the reward coming from a range of 30 reward cards, which displayed fun activities for the child, designed to take no longer than 3 minutes. The researchers hypothesized that the use of the level system token economy would reduce disruptive behaviors in the preschool environment. The class was recorded and observations were made, determining how effective the token economy had been. The table you can see provides the frequency per minute of inappropriate behaviors displayed by the children. The mean frequency of inappropriate behavior was 0.45 on the baseline and fell down to 0.29 during the level system. So we can see that the level system most certainly did have an effect, which left the researchers to conclude that token economies are effective in reducing disruptive behaviors in a preschool setting. The limitations to this experiment were that it had only been conducted in one class, and researchers feel that for the results to be generalized, it's necessary to conduct research on a larger sample of the population. It was also observed that teachers' integrity fell below 80% 7 times during this experiment, which could have been a factor influencing the results of the level system. So why is it that I use this experiment as an example? It used a whole class rather than one student, making the results more applicable to the diverse population. Its discussion outlined relevant issues, such as the one previously mentioned, with which other experiments failed at doing. the measurement of teachers' integrity tested the accuracy of the findings. And finally, it's the most recent study and therefore most applicable to today's classrooms. And that concludes this presentation. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.